Jean Lewis here from Adapt Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at our XL seat. Our XL seat is our motorized transfer board. Let's take a look at how it works. First thing you want to do is open the door and then fold down the transfer board. Once you've transferred over onto it from your wheelchair, make sure you use the retractable support arm for safety and balance when it takes you up to the driver's seat. What are some of the features of the XL seat? Well, for one, you get to keep your original seat, which means you get to keep all the seat functions as well. The seat will move still all the way forward, all the way back, and the seat back still reclines completely, as the XL seat does not impede it in any way. The XL seat has a vinyl surface with a slight cushioning to allow more comfort during the transfer. Another nice feature is that this transfer board is actually removable, allowing access for other drivers to use the vehicle. The transfer board in itself is 15 3/4 inches by 17 inches. The XL seat lowers down to the rocker panel of the vehicle, or in other words, the floor of the vehicle. It also can be stopped at any height depending on transfer needs. The XL seat can be installed in the front driver and front passenger applications of most minivans, pickup trucks, some crossovers and SUVs as well, all without modifying the vehicle. This means they install using the original floor bolts and seat mounts of the vehicle without cutting or drilling. Therefore, you can remove the XL seat without modifying your vehicle and restore it to its original state. The XL seat neatly installs between the seat and the B-pillar. You'll notice how much space it takes. It's very compact. Even in a minivan, you'll see here it takes a little less than 2 inches. An important thing to remember is that the XL seat cannot be installed in the second row of any vehicles at all. Be sure to check with our website or a member of our sales team to see if the vehicle you're working with is compatible with the XL seat. Something you're going to want to check is that your client is actually able to transfer twice. Vehicle suspensions, wheels, tire sizes can all affect the transfer height, especially in a 4x4 vehicle. Ideally, you would like to evaluate your client along with the vehicle that they intend to have. Now keep in mind that the XL seat transfer board sits at about 2 inches above the rocker panel or the floor of the vehicle. One last thing you're going to want to check is how you're going to get the mobility device into the vehicle. Adapt Solutions offers 2 options to get the wheelchair into a sliding door of a minivan: the Speedy Lift and the High Lift. Let's look at the High Lift together. This optional wheelchair lift works as a pair with the XL seat. Actually, as you can see, it bolts right onto the frame of the post of the XL seat. It's designed to lift a manual wheelchair into the sliding door of a minivan application. It has a fully powered up-down function, as well as a fully powered in-out swing mechanism. The High Lift is so neat and compact. Actually, if you're not using the High Lift to transport the wheelchair and the wheelchair is not in the vehicle, you can actually put your bucket seat back inside the vehicle, or if you have a stow-and-go vehicle with the seats in the floor, you could actually just pull it out of the floor. That's how neat and compact the High Lift actually is. The High Lift has a very unique feature, which is its manual track. How that works, if you notice, as you bring your wheelchair up and tuck it into the vehicle, notice how the track slides so that your wheelchair fits neatly and tightly in behind the driver's seat. So you can see how the XL seat and the High Lift make a great pair. The High Lift has a 75-pound capacity. Thanks for watching.